Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge silica gel without an oven. First, understand that silica gel packets absorb moisture, protecting your valuables from humidity. You'll know it's time to recharge when the indicator beads change color, often from blue to pink or orange to green. The microwave method offers a fast and simple way to restore its effectiveness, making your desiccant reusable in just minutes. To recharge using a microwave, begin by spreading your silica gel beads in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate. Heat them on medium power for 30-second intervals. After each interval, carefully stir the beads to ensure even drying and prevent overheating. Continue this process until the beads return to their original, dry color, indicating they are fully reactivated and ready for use. If you prefer a non-microwave approach, air drying is a gentle alternative. Simply spread the silica gel in a shallow, open container, like a baking dish. Place it in a sunny spot, such as a windowsill, where it can receive direct sunlight for several hours. Good air circulation is key to helping the moisture evaporate effectively. This method takes longer but is very effective. Once your silica gel is fully recharged, let it cool completely before storing it. Keep the reactivated gel in an airtight container to prevent it from absorbing moisture from the air again. You can then reuse it to protect items like electronics, important documents, or even camera equipment. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, just like keeping your items dry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.